Welcome, friends. This is the second part of video about existentialism in Waiting for Godot. Let's take a start. Estragon, waiting for Godot. He knows that his situation is awful, yet he does nothing to make it better. Nihilism in Waiting for Godot. Nihilism means nothing. It determines that humans exist in this world is enough. They should not do anything because everything they do is meaningless. Waiting for Godot portrays theme of despair as well as concept of nihilism. Estragon and Vladimir do nothing. Play starts with nothingness and ends with nothingness. Still, this play does not promote theory of nihilism. Two tramps do nothing even then they are doing something. They are waiting for Godot. They have set a purpose for them through which they accept their existence. Furthermore, they are finding their identities. They are unable to find answers of their questions. And the only reason due to which they are not successful is that they are confused. In addition, they are Christian by religion and believe on existence of God, which is opposite to the concept of nihilism. Theory of existentialism also does not believe on existence of God. However, there is a type of existentialism that do so. It is called Christian existentialism. Waiting for Godot, in this way, demonstrates this type of existentialism. Christian existentialism, waiting for Godot. Believing on existence of God does not change meaning of existentialism. Characters are finding their purpose in this world. They want answers of their questions like who they are and why they are here. It is, therefore, Estragon says, we always find something, a deity, to let us think we exist. This was the second part of the video. The links of other parts of this video are in the description. Check the description and watch them.